Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
How to use aloe vera gel for hair. Aloe vera conditioner recipe. First, you will need some coconut oil and some castor oil, which you can find in almost any store. Then, get some vitamin E capsules, which you can find in some medicine shops, and some aloe vera leaves and a bowl. Start by cutting the aloe vera leaf. Remove the thorns and slice it very nicely from the center. Then, run a knife or a fork through the gel for a few times so you can scrape the gel very easily. Now take the leaf and massage your scalp. You can massage it randomly and then use your fingers to make sure that your entire scalp is covered very well. Next, take about 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and to that add about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, take 1 vitamin E capsule and very gently pierce it with a needle or anything that is pointy. Take this oil mixture and place it in a bowl with hot water. Don't place this oil directly on fire or microwave because it can be extremely dangerous and to catch fire. After 5 minutes, your hot oil should be ready to be applied to your hair. Simply take this oil on your fingertips and massage it into your scalp, like you would do any regular head massage. Do it for 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes, you can rest your head on any comfortable surface, and you can use a pillow too. Start massaging your scalp very gently. This is very important because it improves blood circulation and helps hair growth. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you are done, just tie your hair up in a very tight braid. Leave it overnight and wash off your hair the next morning. A very good idea is to just store this mixture in a bottle and apply it 4 to 5 times a week. By doing this method, your hair growth will definitely increase by 40 to 50%.